Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. Today we try to discuss about exponential function DP1 AA SL. Before that, we try to see the rules of indices. C to the power x multiply c to the power y. If you want to write it together, it will be c to the power x plus y. C to the power x divide c to the power y. If you want to write it together, it will be c to the power x minus y. When division convert into minus, when it write in one base, 1 by c equals to c inverse. C to the power 1 is, we can write c. C to the power 0, any number power 0 is 1 here. Right, solve for x, a number, 4 to the power x minus 6 bracket 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. So we try to convert 4 to the power x as a base of 2. Instead of 4, we can write here 2 square power x minus 6 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. Now, we can write here this 2 and x multiply. So we can write here 2x minus 6 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. So 2 to the power 2x, you can write here 2 to the power x whole square. One thing you have to remember, 2 square x, 2 to the power 2x, 2 to the power x whole square, all are same. So 2x whole square minus 6 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. Now, to make our math simple, we will say let 2 to the power x equals to 8. So instead of 2 to the power x, we have to write here a square minus 6a plus 8 equals to 0. We have to do factorization, a square minus 4a minus 2a plus 8 equals to 0. So we'll get here two factor, a minus 4, a minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, a equals to 4 or a equals to 2. So instead of a, we can write here 2 to the power x. Instead of 4, we can write 2 square. Therefore, if both of this base same, power will be equal. So you can write x equals to 2. Here, instead of a, we can write here 2 to the power x. So 2 means 2 to the power 1. If both of these base same, power will be equal. X equals to 1. So final answer, x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. This is question number 1 completed. Now we try to do question number B. Question number B, 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. Like the previous maths, instead of 4, we can write here 2 square x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. We can write this in this form, 2 to the power x whole square. This is 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. Now let 2 to the power x equals to b. So it will be b square minus b minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to do factorization. B square minus 2b plus b minus 2 equals to 0. If we take common, we'll get b minus 2. If we take common 1, it will be b minus 2 equals to 0. Now b minus 2, b plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, b minus 2 equals to 0 or b plus 1 equals to 0. So b equals to here 2. Instead of b, we can write here 2 to the power x. Instead of 2, we can write here 2 to the power 1. We know that if both of this base same, power will be equal. X equals to 1 here. And here, b equals to minus 1. Instead of you can write here 2 to the power x. Exponential never be negative. So 2 to the power x is not equals to -1. So finally, this is answer will be x equals to 1. Now question number B completed. Question number C. 9 to the power x minus 12 bracket 3 to the power x plus 27 equals to 0. So we can write 3 square x minus 12 3 to the power x plus 27 equals to 0. So we can write it 3x whole square minus 12 3 to the power x plus 27 equals to 0. So let a equals to 3 to the power x. So we will write here a square minus 12a plus 27 equals to 0. Now a square minus 9a minus 3a plus 27 equals to 0. Take a common, a minus 9 minus 3 common, a minus 9 equals to 0. So it will be a minus 9, a minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, a minus 9 equals to 0 or a minus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to 9, a equals to 3 here. Instead of a, you can write here 3 to the power x. Instead of 9, we can write here 3 square. If both of this base same, power will be equal, x equals to 2. Here, instead of a, 3 to the power x. Instead of 3, 3 to the power 1. So if both of these base same, power will be equal. So you can write here x equals to 1. Final answer, x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. Question number C completed.